Have you been thinking about using Azure Functions but not sure about it? Are some misconceptions about it stopping you from exploring Azure Functions? Worry not, we will clear all doubts today. Hello everyone, welcome to OmegaCodex. I am Sanal. We are talking about 5 misconceptions about serverless computing with Azure Functions. If you are building modern applications aiming for scalability or simply love cutting edge technology, you are going to enjoy this. So let's get started. Azure Functions is a powerful serverless compute service provided by Azure that allows you to run code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It's designed to accelerate and simplify application development. The beauty of Azure Function lies in its event-driven execution. It only runs when you trigger the code, which makes it highly efficient and cost-effective. But as with any technology, there are myths floating around that can cloud your understanding. So let's clear the skies and debunk some common misconceptions about Azure Functions. First one, Azure Function is only for small simple tasks. Some assume they are not cut out for heavy lifting. Now, I get why you might think that. Functions does sound a bit diminutive, doesn't it? But here's the fact. Azure Function is not just for tiny bits of code. It's fully capable of powering complex applications with features like durable functions that enable stateful operations and orchestrations of long-running workflows. Whether you are processing images or running complex algorithms, Azure Functions has your back. Misconception number 2. Azure Function isn't secure. In the world of serverless, this can seem like a valid concern, but the reality is quite the opposite. Azure Functions provide a fortified environment for your code. It employs Azure Active Directory for robust authentication, ensuring that only authorized users can trigger functions. Plus, it offers network isolation with virtual networks, encryption in transit via HTTPS, and encryption at rest for your data. This layered security model aligns with industry compliance standards, giving you peace of mind that your serverless architecture isn't just scalable but also secure. Misconception number 3. Azure Functions will break your bank. Some assume Azure Functions is more expensive than traditional hosting. It's a common fear that scalable nature of serverless makes it unpredictable with costs. However, Azure Functions can be incredibly cost effective, especially for workloads with varying traffic. You pay per execution, not for the idle time, which can result in significant savings. And for more predictable workloads, Azure offers fixed pricing plans too. Misconception number 4. Enterprise level applications can't run on Azure Functions. Some folks think serverless are for side projects, not for big leagues. In truth, Azure Function is engineered to meet enterprise demands. It does so by scaling on demand to handle high loads, integrating seamlessly with Azure's suite of robust cloud services, and supporting complex multi-step orchestrations. This allows enterprises to build and deploy large-scale mission-critical applications confidently, with backing of Microsoft's comprehensive support and service-level agreements, ensuring reliability and performance at scale. And finally, misconception number 5. Azure Functions can't maintain state. This serverless model is stateless by nature, but the introduction of durable functions shatters this myth. This powerful extension of Azure Functions allows for stateful executions in serverless architecture. It means that complex sequences which require remembering state or stages of the process are entirely possible. You can now implement patterns like human interaction workflows, aggregator functions, where state management is crucial. Durable functions provide capabilities such as checkpoints and relays, ensuring your process picks up right where they left off in case of disruption. This is especially useful for long-running processes that might span for days or hours. So, despite the stateless nature of serverless, Azure Functions stands out by offering stateful solutions, challenging the convention and providing developers with a versatile platform for modern application development. So, there you have it. The myths busted and the facts laid out. Azure Functions is more than meets the eye, and it could be perfect fit for your next project. What do you think? Have you been using Azure Functions? Do any of these misconceptions sound familiar? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear your experiences. If you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any future content. If you are interested to get started with Microsoft services in .NET, you can check out this playlist. You can also find something interesting to watch next here. This is Sanal signing off. Until next time, keep coding smart and keep innovating. Adios.